The guys at Majestic thought it'd be interesting for me to talk about how I'm using Majestic in a very different way than for SEO. What I'm doing is every morning I get a briefing on my Telegram account from my local LLM. So I have Quen on a machine, and it goes and sorts for a very specific news feed every morning around AI and what's the developments in AI. But the thing that it brings back, I've found often tends to have pages which really no one cares about. So before it sends me a message, it works out the flow metrics and works out the ratio of trust flow to citation flow. So we can see here, it'll bring that. Where's my my mouse? Why is my mouse going? Let's bring my mouse down so I can do that. There we go. So it's analyzing the results, working out a ratio, and then it's using that to try and work out what stories are relevant to me. So I've got Wired.com, the trust flows here, and it's got them down. And what it can do then is give me a news briefing that is already filtered out so that the spam and the crap doesn't come into my news feed. So how am I doing that? Well, I use a system called Hermes, and I actually use a Hermes skill. So if I go, where's the search button on this? Oh, there we go. Majestic. So I have a skill here called Majestic URL Score, and I have that switched on. So if I go to the edit button here for that, then we've got this skill here, which will pull this information in, and it actually pulls a file which I've called majesticscore.py. And what I've done is I've put that up onto a GitHub repository. So if you go to Dixon Jones, GitHub for Dixon Jones, you'll find the Majestic Trust Flow Citation Flow repository there, and you can download it and use it yourself. The point for those that don't want to play around with code and stuff like that is that you can really use Majestic's API for a lot of things, and it's a really good, quick way of sorting out the wheat from the chaff in content. Hope people use it. You're welcome to. I should say this isn't a Majestic authorized tool, so please don't shout at them if it doesn't work.